I'd love to hear from you. Like, how do you actually use AI in your day-to-day profession? If we can shift gears a little bit. So
Yeah.
how do you use it? How do you see those efficiency gains? And do you see those efficiency gains? Is it delivering
Yeah.
already on the promise?
That's a really good question. So I'd like to start like I have already seen a lot of efficiency gains. The amount of gains I'm seeing right now is just unreal. What I tend to do with AI is I always have like this background task running in my mind where once I'm doing something, my brain is like, can I automate this?
Mhm.
So over the past couple of days, I realized I was creating a ton of GitHub issues, and I would have to like go in the Markdown and like manually be like typing things out. And then I said to myself, wait, I can create a custom GPT. So what I did was I copied the Markdown of that GitHub issue, fed it into a custom GPT, told the GPT what I was going to be sharing with it to generate that issue, and I utilize my speech to text engine that is powered by OpenAI's Whisper. And when I encounter a bug in my workflow, I literally just talk to my GPT with my voice. I'm like, hey, I'm trying to log in. I pressed the login button. It did not work. I think there may be something wrong with the server. And I say that, and an entire Markdown issue that is ready for GitHub that has all the labels, screenshots, everything is ready to go in like seconds. This is something that would have taken me 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And what I've realized is when I automate these workflows, I end up saving so much time, it actually makes my workday easier. So that is one mechanism that I'm utilizing. The next mechanism is AI coding. But I'm not just talking about ChatGPT in a window on the side. I'm talking about a full-blown AI IDE. So I'm utilizing this tool called Cursor AI. It's a integrated AI experience that ingests your entire code base and you can talk to various files. So instead of me trying to figure things out all on my own, when I need to build a feature, I can literally say, okay, we need to build a profile screen now. I want you to take a look at this screen that I've started with and look at this backend component and write out the entire view and the unit tests in simple queries. And this AI tool knows my programming environment. What's even cooler is I'm able to reference docs. So if the AI is not trained on a particular piece of documentation, I can take the link of that documentation and point it to AI and say, hey, read this documentation to implement this feature. So that is just like a small way in which I would say like a large way I'm utilizing AI in my workspace where I'm utilizing voice because sometimes voice is a lot more powerful to like go from voice to intent. And I'm also utilizing just these integrated tools that are sitting directly alongside my workflow so that I can generate code at rapid pace. And I've seen drastic improvements. Things that would have taken me 2 days, 3 days are now taking me less time.